What's going on, everyone? Today is the 24th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Marathon Digital stock real quick because the market has completely gone berserk. I mean, even since I did my last video in Marathon, I was looking for the price to go lower, just a little bit of weakness. Like I was looking for the market to take a break, relax, come down and let some of that steam out of the market. And instead, it completely went up instead. This is a very, very bullish stock right now in Marathon. I know many people are going to be jumping on the bandwagon now. They see this stock just simply going up every day. The market seemingly is going higher in price, and it's going to cause a lot of buzz. Many people are going to start create content showing that this market is not finished with going up higher in prices, just adding more to the frenzy of people wanting to participate in this move higher. So let's talk about it, because you know what? Yeah, I did get the last one right. I was looking for the market in Marathon to go down, and it went up instead real quick. It didn't even take the market a couple of days, like maybe 2 days. The market ran out and passed our ultimate area of resistance. It definitely shot through this sell zone right here in Marathon Digital. So yeah, it didn't work out. 13.17% loss right there. So let's break this down though. I mean, let's keep it real. Why do we want to buck the system? If the overall market wants price to go up, then who are we to say it shouldn't? No, for us here on this particular channel, we want to be part of the winning team, not the losing team. So the moment that you see the market going against what you think it should be doing, you need to join the winning team. That's one of the best things about these markets, that no one can tell you which team that you should or should not be on. You can participate on whatever team you want to, as long as you bring home the bag. So that's what we're going to do here. Apparently, Marathon is bullish. Now, I want to show you some things that you want to contemplate and think about to say to yourself, okay, cool. Yeah, the market is going higher, right? But at some point, it's going to come back down. And are there clues on the chart that would tell you that we may be hitting that price is going to come down in Marathon? Look at this volume. I just want you all to pay attention to the volume. As price goes higher, there will be a point to where the market reaches an apex, a top. This volume over the last 3 days in Marathon is extremely high. I would say higher than what we've seen. Let me zoom out this chart. Now, as I zoom out, look at where these volume bars are in relation to regular trading in Marathon. Where have we seen this much volume hit Marathon? We would have to go all the way back to like 2021, beginning of 2021, to where we saw that much action, that much activity hit this stock. And look what happened then in 2021. Market ran up crazily. It ran up massively. What about now though? Let's start the market in Marathon right here on the weekly time frame. Look at that very strong, wide spread bar. Look at that. People really came in and bought this stock. Let's take a look at this on the 2. Here it is on the 3. This is the printed 3 weekly chart. We got the indicator of strength EV trigger. Like you can see as I zoom out, we don't get too many indicators trigger on a 3 weekly chart, but when we do, pay attention, right? Look at that one. We got that indicator trigger back in 2021. Look at what the result was. We got this indicator trigger. Look at what the result was. It went down, right? So when you see a indicator trigger on a longer term chart, you really need to keep your eyes open and say, all right, cool, something definitely is going on in the market. So the strength into Marathon is still bullish. It is. Here it is on the 5 weekly chart. Take a look at Marathon on the monthly. 5 more days, 4 hours. We already got that indicator trigger on the monthly time frame. Like I said, the longer you go out, if you get an indicator trigger, oh yeah, you definitely pay attention, because here it is again. We saw one here during the month of October 2021, and the market ran up in Marathon. So I think you guys get the gist. I think you guys know what I'm talking about and where I think the market in Marathon is going to go. I think it's going to continue to go higher in price. Let me go ahead and put this sell zone here in the market in Marathon. This is one sell zone, so we may see the market ultimately run to this spot right there. Okay, that's one area that I'm gonna target to see the market hit with more selling pressure. Okay. The next one in Marathon would be right around here. So let me put that there. Let me lock that in place. And let me bring it, see if I could get that. So we can see where that selling area is. Okay, so let me straighten this one up here, like right around here. That's where the first sell zone is into the market and Marathon. And here's my second one right here. Okay, so these are my targets that I'm going to look for the price in the Marathon to run. Now, we may not see the market in Marathon run to $55, but I'll just put that sell zone up there too, just for references points. All right, so let me hit this back over. And we're going to look for the price in Marathon to continue to be bullish and go up. Now, I'm not expecting this trend to be this strong for a long term, for a long while, because you can even see it here. Right up here at the top is on a 30-minute chart that this is the sell zone already hitting the market in Marathon. Okay, that's the sell zone on the 30-minute chart. Here it is on the 5-minute chart. Let me show you where the buying is hitting the market in Marathon. So buyers are here. Okay, so as we do see selling hitting the market in Marathon on Friday's trading, we definitely need to show some areas that we need to see the buyers hold. Okay, so right here is a buy zone. And here. Okay, so now back on the daily. These would be our support areas for Marathon. Okay. Matter of fact, since that's on the daily chart, I'm going to get rid of that. And we're going to look for the market in Marathon to hold these areas for support. Right there around $22. Okay. And the first target that I'm looking forward to in Marathon is going to be at this lower end sell zone, which is 18.42%. Second target is going to be up there at the upper end sell zone, which is around $32.80, $32.80, 79 cents, 23.04% there. And in the longer term, look at this, all the way up there around $39.22, 47% run up into the market in Marathon. Now, 47% is not going to shoot up like that in a straight rocket. Yes, we're trending higher into the market in Marathon, but at some point, it's going to have to take a reprieve. It's got to take a break and refuel itself to continue that trend. So let's not all focus in on that 47% run up into the market that we have on our prediction. Let's see if the market can run to these areas here first. Let's just do that first. All right, give me your thoughts. I am done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.